Hello guys, welcome back to my White Echo channel. In this video, we will discuss about Chinese mega constellation launch sparks concerns over space debris. My channel consistently shares content related to space topics and information, advancements in technology and AI, historical knowledge, and unique information. If you're interested in these topics, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. So, let's start the topic. A recent launch by China, part of their ambitious project to establish a mega constellation of satellites, has raised significant concerns within the international space community due to the creation of a substantial field of space debris. This event has heightened awareness and anxiety over the growing problem of space debris, which poses severe risks to the safety and sustainability of activities in Earth's orbit. The launch and its aftermath. The Chinese government launched a series of satellites as part of their mega constellation project, which aims to create a network of satellites capable of providing global communication services, similar to other initiatives like SpaceX's Starlink or Amazon's Kuiper. However, during the deployment of these satellites, an unexpected event occurred, leading to the creation of numerous debris fragments in orbit. This debris field, generated by the Chinese launch, consists of numerous fragments, some of which are large enough to be tracked, while others are smaller but still pose significant hazards to other satellites, spacecraft, and even the International Space Station. The debris created during this launch has added to the already crowded and hazardous environment in low Earth orbit. The issue of space debris is not new, but the recent Chinese launch has brought it back into the spotlight. With thousands of satellites now orbiting the Earth, the chances of collisions and subsequent creation of additional debris have increased dramatically. Each piece of debris, no matter how small, travels at high velocities, making even tiny fragments capable of causing catastrophic damage to other objects in orbit. Space agencies and experts have long warned that without proper mitigation strategies, space debris could lead to a situation known as the Kessler syndrome. This theoretical scenario predicts a chain reaction of collisions that could render entire regions of Earth's orbit unusable, effectively trapping humanity on the planet by making space travel too dangerous. The international community has expressed significant concern over the creation of space debris from the Chinese launch. Various space agencies and organizations have called for increased cooperation and the establishment of international guidelines to manage and mitigate the risks posed by space debris. There is a growing consensus that all spacefaring nations must take responsibility for the debris they create and work together to ensure the long-term sustainability of space activities. However, tensions have also risen, particularly between China and other spacefaring nations, as the incident has been seen by some as a disregard for the collective safety of space operations. Critics argue that more stringent measures need to be in place to prevent such incidents and to hold countries accountable for the debris they create. Efforts to address the space debris problem are ongoing, with various initiatives being proposed and developed. These include the design of satellites with built-in mechanisms for safety orbiting, the development of technologies to capture and remove debris from orbit, and the implementation of stricter regulations on satellite launches and operations. The recent Chinese launch serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need to address the space debris issue. As the number of satellites in orbit continues to grow, so does the potential for catastrophic collisions. The international community faces a critical challenge in balancing the benefits of expanded space activities with the need to preserve the orbital environment for future generations. The creation of space debris from the Chinese mega constellation launch has highlighted the dangers and complexities of modern space activities. It underscores the importance of international cooperation and the need for robust strategies to mitigate the risks associated with space debris. As humanity continues to venture into space, ensuring the sustainability and safety of our orbital environment must remain a top priority. I hope you will get some new knowledge or thought from this video. If you have any comments about this topic, you can write them in the comments. If you want to see the videos that will be posted later, please subscribe and like to my channel. If you are interesting topics, please write in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching till the end. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.